Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Judy. I love to cook, and so on this channel I share recipes on what I make for my family. Cooking for me is a love language, so if I love you, I'm gonna cook for you. And today I am making red velvet cupcakes for my family. We really love baked products. I've been learning how to bake for quite a while now, and I enjoy sharing those recipes with you. This recipe is simple to follow through. I will be leaving the description, or rather the recipe and the procedure on how to make this in the description box, and also on the first pinned comment. I hope you like this. I hope you enjoy watching, and consider subscribing to my channel. Right, welcome on board. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of the video.
If we tried it, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living. Get your shoes on, we're going dancing. These little problems, we could solve them. Try another, but I know you got one. But there's no hurry, the lights calling. In the van we're driving to Austin. This feels like time is making fun of me, taking away at the walls, and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. You're leaving with me. You're the king of Carolina. You're the singer, your band's behind you. Crowds around here, they just talk through you. Nothing's better than when they love you. Rumor has it, there's an angel in the crowd where you guys are playing. We've been drinking, so now we're praying they don't find us, 'cause man, we're wasted. Feels like time is making fun of me, taking away at the walls, and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave.